Hello everyone and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this session, we will be discussing about a trending topic, and that is about Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. So NMACC, it is very much in the news. I hope you all are aware. So this is being inaugurated in Mumbai. So now we'll be discussing in short what exactly it is and why it is trending. So basically, if you go to their website, they have clearly mentioned that it got opened on 31st March this year, 2023. It is a sensory journey of India's rich cultural heritage through costume, performing and visual arts. So basically, Indian costume, Indian performing and Indian visual arts will be promoted. That is what actually the Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center is all about. So you can see from the Reliance website also, India's newest cultural destination, Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center opens on 31st March, and they have written on their website that this is actually first of its kind multidisciplinary cultural space, NMACC, Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center, which got opened on Friday 31st March with an exquisite showcase of the best of India's across music, theatre, fine arts, crafts, etc. So basically Indian music, Indian theatre, Indian fine arts, Indian dance, etc. would be the actually promoted here, and guests would be coming not only from India but from as well as from abroad. So these are the pictures of the outside photo of NMACC, which is very much in the news, and Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. So this is the photo. Then these are other photos outside. This is a very beautiful photo from Hindustan Times. You can see this one, and this is actually from inside it, taken by Hindustan Times. This actually photo from inside, this will be the NMACC would be looking like this. So here a lot of cultural events are being organized as well. Now, what does actually NMACC says? An ode to our nation, the cultural center aims to preserve and promote Indian arts. So all the different forms of arts from India actually are being promoted here by Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. So you can see if you go to their website, they have written about the different festivals being organized, like Great Indian Musicals, Civilization to Nation. Director is Feroz Abbas Khan. If you want to watch it, here is the timing. 3rd April was the timing at 7:30. Then similarly, India in fashion. So Indian dressings, etc. are being exhibited. First of its kind exhibition with iconic costumes from all over the world actually. India in fashion, that's called. So it is actually from 3rd April to 4th June. It is available there. You can go and watch those things. Then there are other things like Confluence. Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center presents Confluence, curated by Jeffrey Deitch and Ranjit Hospote. So that is what is from 3rd April to 4th June. You can see it here. So this is the fees, entry fees as well. Then Sarang Kulkarni. So these are the people who will be involved in this program and all. Sarang Kulkarni and Shikhar Nath Qureshi will be there. So there are different types of programs, songs, festivals, etc. And Hardik Dave with Gujarati folk. Then Aruna Sairam with Carnatic classical music. So these will be performed. So you can see the dates and the timings. If you are interested, you can go and visit as well. So I'm giving some basic idea about NMACC because it is very much in the news. The studio theater and intimate space for cutting edge performance. So these are actually the inside pictures of those studio theaters from NMACC. Okay. So yes, you can see Mumbai's new cultural hub, NMACC. So the Great Indian Musical Civilization of Nation, directed by Feroz Abbas Khan at the majestic 2000 seater Grand Theatre, and also the seat, 2000 actually seater it is, means it can adjust up to 2000 people. So that is what actually it is. Now, not only from India, but also from foreign celebrities like Tom Holland, Zendaya, Penelope Cruz, Christian Louboutin, Jeff Koons actually were invited, and they were present in these grand opening ceremony and all. Okay, on 31st March. So that is what you should be knowing it. Now, since we are talking about Indian culture, there's a small question for you. According to Sangeet Natak Academy, there are 8 classical dance in India. Which of the following is not one of them? Your options are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Chow dance, or Odissi. So these are your 4 options. Your time starts now. You can answer it if you know it. Otherwise, you can write it in the comment section niche. Okay. So actually, I'll be telling you. So I'm showing you these things. So these are actually the 8 classical dance from India. Let me tell you. so that it would be easy for you to understand. So Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathak from Northern India, especially from UP region and all, Kathakali from Kerala, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Mohiniyattam from Kerala, Odishi, Odisha, Satriya, Assam. So these are the 8 classical dance, okay, which has been recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Okay, so you should be knowing it because we are talking about Indian culture, dance and all. So you should have a basic idea about it. Now on 9th April at 6 p.m. we'll be having a free workshop with Nivedita ma'am. Why choose CLAT as a career? The link is given in the description from where you can register for it. And we are running a CLAT 2024 comprehensive course as well. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session are being provided. If you have query, call on this number 953889568. So please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S exam prep app. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.